So what is turbidity? Turbidity is a cloudiness or haziness of water caused by a large number of individual particles that are generally invisible to the naked eyes, similar to smoke in the air. Turbidity is caused by particles suspended or dissolved in water. So what is the impact of turbidity? So high turbidity can reduce the quality of water. It can increase the cost of water treatment for drinking water. It can harm fish and other aquatic life. So what are the sources of turbidity? Sediment is on top list of substance or a pollutant causing turbidity. Natural sources can include erosion, algae growth due to the leaf decomposition. So different method used before versus now. So before we use Secchi disc for measurement, invented in 1865 by Angelo Secchi. This is 30 cm plain white disc, as you can see in the image, used to measure turbidity or transparency of water bodies. The disc is mounted on the pole or line and then lowered slowly down until the disc is no longer visible. Nowadays we use specialized optical equipment in laboratory or in the field, as you can see in the image. In this method, light is directed through a water sample in that small bottle you can see in the image, and the amount of light scatter is measured. Specification of component. We are using Arduino Nano, come with Atmega 328P 8-bit processor, come with 14 digital I/O pins and 8 analog input pins. So 32 KB of flash memory, 2 KB of SRAM, work on 5 volt. And then we are using ESP01, also known as ESP8266, 32-bit processor, 1 MB flash memory, 4 digital I/O pins, work on 3.6 volt. And then we are using turbidity sensor. It is optical sensor, work on 5 volt, determine turbidity up to 1000 NTU. And we are also using 2 3.6 volt batteries and 2 9 volt batteries. This is our algorithm. Basically we are using 4 microcontrollers, so all 4 microcontrollers will have their separate programs. So now I will give you a brief about flowchart of host. For Arduino we will define a software serial library, then sensor and LED as the input and output device. Then we will start serial communication at baud rate of 9600, and then if serial lines are available, then send sensor data to ESP01 and LED will turn on one by one as level of turbidity increases. For ESP01 we will define ESP8266 Wi-Fi and web server libraries. We will assign a Wi-Fi ID and password with one static IP address. Then we add our HTML code here. Then we configure our ESP as station mode and connect to our Wi-Fi. Then we will send our HTML data on browser on request and then start our server. Further, if serial line available, we will sensor data. If data is less than 100, then process further. So for now I will give you a brief about flowchart of client. For Arduino we will define software serial libraries, then sensor and LED are input and output device, then start serial communication at baud rate of 9600. Then if serial lines are available, then send sensor data from ESP01 and LED will turn on one by one as the level of turbidity increases. For ESP01 we will define ESP8266 Wi-Fi and web server libraries. We will assign a Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi ID and password with one static IP address. Then we will configure our ESP as station mode and connect to a Wi-Fi. Then ESP01 will send a GET request to host. Further, if serial line are available, then write receive data. If data is less than 100, then process further. As you can see, our block diagram is divided into two parts, host and client. So host block diagram consists of pair of Arduino Nano and ESP01. Basically we are using Arduino for input signal processing and then send process data to ESP01, and then ESP01 will handle request on HTML page. And then let's move on the client block diagram. Here we are also using again pair of Arduino Nano and ESP01. Here ESP01 will send GET request to host, and then ESP01 will send receive data to Arduino Nano. Then Arduino will display data on display. So this is the host part of the project, consists of pair of Arduino and ESP with the turbidity sensor. So this is connected with the common network which our client is connected. So this is the client part of our project, consists of pair of Arduino and ESP01 with the LCD display to show the readings of turbidity. Now we are testing our project in clear water. Let's see what it shows. So at the client part it's showing 0. So now we are testing in cloudy water. So let's see what it shows. So we're showing 22 is cloudy. So now we have added some more dirt in the water. Let's see what it shows on display. So now it's showing turbidity is high.